Hello guys, Stephen Cagle with Bug Busters Pest Control. What you're about to see in this video is just a quick tutorial going over our Sentricon Termite baiting system. This is a scanner, it's a locator, a scanner, whatever you want to call it, and it locates the stations. I cannot see this station. I know it's there, but I can't see it. So you just take the scanner, and when it makes that noise, you know you're right on top of the station. So, yep, right there. So when it makes that high-pitched noise, that's when you know you're not on it there. There, you're right on top of it. So sometimes you got to pull some things back, and get down here, and there's the station right there. The scanner is really good at putting you right over the top of the station. That's the station there. Certainly there's no termites in it. I can look and tell that it's very stout, so it's still good and solid in one piece. We're going to put it back in the cylinder, clean that top off just a little bit, use this tool to grasp the top and tighten it up. This station did exactly what it was designed to do. There was a colony of termites feeding off this in this area that has now been wiped out. So Sentricon, great job. Recruit did its job. This is the recruit. This is the termite bait. Take it out. These recruits are made very dense. It's heavy. It's not light, it's heavy. So it's designed that way to last well over a year. This bait will last well over a year, maybe several years. So this is a new bait that we're gonna insert in the cylinder. In the beginning, not fully what a termite colony is looking for. They'd rather it be real yucky, and it'll get that way. Again, that's why this gets better as time goes on. This too will be it is a steak dinner for a termite now, but as it gets older, it's going to become a T-bone. We're going to insert that. Here. I'm going to clean this off a little bit. And take this top. There we go. Brand new bait. Once the bait has deteriorated, again, enough that I feel like it's not doing its job, then I will replace that. Yeah, I just told you that termites do like them yucky. They would much rather eat one of these baits that's already just cruddy. That's a steak dinner for a termite. A brand new one, not so much. It will get there. The longer it's in the ground and the older it gets and the yuckier it gets, that's when it really becomes tantalizing for a termite. That's when they really want to eat it. That's why with the baiting system, as the baiting system gets older, it's better protection for the homeowner. Just want to say thank you so much for watching the tutorial on the Sentricon Termite baiting system. And always remember, if there's a need for termite protection, certainly feel free just to give us a call anytime. Telephone number 770-517-0200.